Hello students, welcome to my maths classes. Your question is, find the distance of the line 4x minus y is equals to 0 from the point P, that is 4, 1, measured along the line making an angle of 135 degrees with positive x-axis. So, we are given a line that is 4x minus y is equals to 0. This line must passing through the origin. So, let this line is 4x minus y is equals to 0. Now, we are supposed to find the distance of this line from the point 4, 1. Let 4, 1 is this point. Okay. इस पॉइंट से इस लाइन का डिस्टेंस निकालना है, बट नॉट द परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस, बट the distance which is measured along the line making an angle of 135 degree with the positive x-axis. तो ये इससे पास होकर जाती हुई एक ऐसी लाइन ड्रॉ करो जो कि x-axis के साथ 135 डिग्रीज एंगल बना रही है, and we are supposed to find the distance of this point and this point. So our purpose is to find PQ. Okay, PQ is the distance of P from this line measured along this line. So, to find the distance between PQ, we have to first find out the coordinates of Q. Now, let us make the equation of line PQ. So, slope of PQ, कि PQ का slope क्या हो जाएगा? Because it is making an angle of 135 degrees with x-axis, so slope of PQ must be equals to tan 135 degrees. That is equals to tan 90 plus 45, or we can say that minus cot 45, or that is minus 1. So, slope of PQ is minus 1 and PQ is also passing through the point P, which is 4, 1. So, equation of PQ passing through P, that is 4, 1, and having slope is equals to minus 1 is y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1, or we can say that y minus 1 is equals to minus x plus 4, or x plus y minus 5 is equals to 0. So, this is the required line, not the required line, the equation of PQ. Now, what is Q? Q is the point of intersection of this line and PQ. Since Q is the point of intersection of line this 4x minus y is equals to 0 and this line PQ, that is x plus y minus 5 is equals to 0. So, by solving these two equations simultaneously, we get from here y can be written as 4x, and in the second equation, if you put y is equals to 4x, then you will get 5x is equals to 5 और x is equals to 1, और x की वैल्यू 1 आएगी तो y की वैल्यू 4 आ जाएगी. So, that implies your point Q is 1, 4. So, the required distance is equals to PQ, and that is square root of P is 4, 1 and Q is 1, 4. P is 4, 1 and Q is 1, 4. So required distance PQ is 4 minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square, and that is 3 square 9 plus minus 3 square, that is also 9, root 18, and that is equals to 3 root 2 units. So the required distance of P from this line measured along this line is PQ, and that is 3 root 2 units.